And formally, I again welcome you. A very good morning to everyone, and I'm delighted to welcome you to the session of session 9 of the Pulse series, which is brought to you by FOPE and Pharmacist Academy. It is a privilege to see so many industry professionals gathered today as we focus on a critical aspect of pharma manufacturing and quality, that is revised Schedule M. Pulse was created to address the growing needs of the pharmaceutical industry in India. And it's not just about compliance. It's about creating a culture. And that is why you see us almost on a weekly basis emphasizing that you have to learn on certain topic. You have to come and join us and interact with the subject matter experts on those topics. So we were trying our best to create a culture of continuous improvement and operational excellence in our industry. Our goal today is to explore the topic of training and assessment programs, which can help companies not just meet them, but even exceed the requirements of revised Schedule M. And we all know that it is not just a checklist. Revised Schedule M is not just a checklist. It's a mindset shift that we need towards good manufacturing practices. So we are centering the session today on two key areas, that is training and assessment programs. Training ensures that every member of your team, from top management to the production floor, understands and implements the best practices. And assessment, on the other hand, ensures that we are consistently meeting the standards and identify areas for improvement. So quickly, I'll begin with a disclaimer. Please note that the content in today's session is intended for educational purposes only. This information should not be considered as professional advice for compliance or regulatory decisions and should be used alongside the guidance of relevant regulatory authorities. Pharmacist Academy and FOPE and our presenters bear no liability for outcome based on the information provided in this session. So without further delay, I would like to invite our chief guest, Shri Bodhraj Sikri, Chairman of FOPE, to deliver the keynote address. With over 54 years of distinguished experience, Shri Bodhraj Sikri is a highly respected leader and visionary. He is a distinguished professional with extensive experience across government, public sector, and pharmaceutical industry, including significant leadership roles in business, community service, and industry associations. His career showcases a blend of entrepreneurship and service marked by notable achievements and recognitions in pharmaceuticals, printing, packaging, and logistics. Sir's contribution to community and industry have earned him prestigious awards reflecting his impact and commitment. As the chairman of Federation of Pharma Entrepreneurs, he has been instrumental in shaping policies, advocating for industry advancements, and promoting best practices across the sector. Shri Sikri's contributions have been pivotal in driving innovation and excellence in the Indian pharmaceutical landscape, making him an esteemed figure in the industry. Over to you, sir. Please deliver the keynote address. We all are looking forward to hearing from you.
Thanks a lot, Swati ji. Let me first address to Mr. Harish Jain for taking this great initiative in the overall interest of the FOPE members as well as industry as a whole. And unfortunately, due to certain reasons, I have not been able to attend any previous sessions. But I was just going to the detail. It is really going to be very changing scenario is going to come in the overall interest of the nation as well as industry also. So thanks to Dr. Vineet and Vishal ji, Dr. Anjit, Sunil ji, Arjun and Dr. Praita is also there. So हम काफी मुद्दत के बाद मिल रहे हैं, बहुत सारे मुस्कुराते हुए चेहरे भी मुझे नजर आ रहे हैं. मैं क्षमा चाहता हूं, पहले आप लोगों के दर्शन नहीं कर पाया, पर कहते हैं कि there is a change is the spice of life. जीवन के अंदर परिवर्तन अनिवार्य है. हर चीज बदलती है, समय बदलता है, परिस्थितियां बदलती हैं, हालात बदलते हैं, शेड्यूल एम बदलता है, हमारी इंडस्ट्री बदलती है, हमारा राष्ट्र बदलता है, इवन गंगा बदल रही है, संविधान बदल रहा है. तो जो समय समय पर बदलाव आता है, ये हमारे लिए हितकारी है. तो इसलिए मैं सरकार का भी आभार प्रकट करता हूँ, इंडस्ट्री स्टालवर्ड्स का भी आभार प्रकट करता हूँ कि जो शेड्यूल एम संशोधित उन्होंने हमें वर्षन दिया है, उसके बारे में जो डिटेल चर्चा तो बाद में होगी. तो उसमें दो गंभीर विषय मैंने देखे हैं. एक है गुणवत्ता मीन्स क्वालिटी, सेकंड मुद्दा है अनुपालन मीन्स कंप्लायंस. These are the two key factors of schedule revised schedule M. जो संशोधित शेड्यूल M है उसको हमें कोई मात्र डॉक्यूमेंट नहीं समझना है. It is not a guideline document, rather it has a different concept. जो भी दवा हमारे मैन्युफैक्चरर हमारे सदस्य बनाते हैं वो दवा अंतरराष्ट्रीय स्तर की होनी चाहिए. वही दवाई मेरा बच्चा, वही दवाई आपका बच्चा, वही कोई भी साधारण नागरिक, वही हमारे देश का बड़े से बड़ा नेता भी वही दवाई खाएगा. तो ये कंसेप्ट लेके चलते हैं तो हमें मन में ये रहेगा कि मेरा अपने प्रोडक्ट के प्रति क्या उत्तरदायित्व है. तो थोड़े और पीछे चलते हैं तो हमें समझ कर आता है प्रशिक्षण का. प्रशिक्षण में ट्रेनिंग. ट्रेनिंग इज वेरी वेरी एसेंशियल. कहते हैं ना ये अपना हालांकि मैंने सरकार को एक चिट्ठी लिखी है कि when you talk about the training, when you talk about the skilling, when you talk about the upskilling, when you talk about the reskilling, ये सिर्फ हमारे ऊपर ही लागू होता है, सरकारी अफसरों पे लागू नहीं होता, which is wrong. There has to be a concept when they should also have that type of training or what exactly we are going to have. So training is a supreme, not just about absorbing the information, it is about shaping our approach, refining our skills, and committing ourselves to continuous improvement. That is what is called training. It is only through rigorous training that we can build a foundation strong to carry the future, whatever changes are going to come, whatever weight we are going to have on the industry. If we have serious training, the future changes, future whatever we are going to do, that weight we will be able to bear. As an industry, we are at a crossroad. One side we see immense potential. Our pharma sector is well known worldwide. We are the largest supplier of generic medicine to the world. On the other side, we face increasingly stringent quality and regulatory expectations, not only within the India, overseas also. This is where your role becomes critical. You, the participants of this program, are the torch bearer of this transformation. The training and knowledge you receive here today will enable you to uphold the standards that revised schedule M mandates. अगर हमें शेड्यूल M, रिवाइज शेड्यूल M को एक नेक नियति से, एक सच्चे मन से क्रियान्वित करना है तो हमें इसको बड़ी गंभीरता से लेना होगा. But let me also make it very clear, participation alone is not enough. What we need from each of you is commitment to execution. ट्रेनिंग लेना, उसके बाद क्रियान्वित करना, ये दोनों अलग एस्पेक्ट हैं. तो जितने भी पार्टिसिपेंट हैं, हो सकता है मेरे से कुछ बड़े भी हों या कुछ मेरे से छोटे भी हों, तो मैं उनको ये सलाह दूंगा कि इस ट्रेनिंग को मात्र औपचारिकता ना समझा जाए, इसे गंभीरता से लिया जाए, क्योंकि हमें एक ऐसे लीडर की जरूरत है who are not only trained but who also ensure that this training translate into real world action. यहाँ से जाने के बाद आपने उस पर वास्तव में कार्रवाई करनी है. Every lesson you learn here today must be taken back to your team and your plant, to your daily operations and implemented with diligence. In the pharma industry, quality is not negotiable. मुझे अच्छी तरह से याद है, लगभग 10 साल पुरानी बात है, श्रीमान दिलीप सांघवी जी, chairman of Sun Pharma, was chairing a session in Ahmedabad. I was also there on the dais. He used one word that my concept is very clear. We can do anything, but we don't follow any shortcut route. Shortcut word is an allergy to pharma industry. Anybody trying to deviate from the SOPs or the regulations, that is what is called shortcut. So shortcut का इसमें कहीं इस्तेमाल नहीं है. We are a very responsible citizen for safeguarding life of the people worldwide. जब हमारे प्रधानमंत्री कहते हैं वसुधैव कुटुंबकम, वो खाली कहते नहीं है, इम्प्लीमेंट करते हैं. जब कोविड आया तो न केवल भारत की 140 करोड़ आबादी का उन्होंने ध्यान रखा, विश्व के 205 देशों में से 100 देशों को भी उन्होंने वैक्सीन दिया, 50 देशों को भी उन्होंने मुफ्त वैक्सीन दिया. तो वो गंभीरता जो है हमारे हर नागरिक को समझनी चाहिए. हमें भी अपने आप को नरेंद्र मोदी समझना चाहिए कि जब भी हम कोई दवा की गुणवत्ता की बात करते हैं, क्वालिटी एफिकेसी की बात करते हैं, अवेलेबिलिटी एक्सेसिबिलिटी की बात करते हैं, तो हमें ध्यान रखना चाहिए कि जो भारत के इस कोने में और विश्व के उस कोने में जो भी नागरिक, जो भी रोगी बैठा है, वो भी हमारा भाई है, वो भी हमारी बहन है। इस रिवाइज शेड्यूल एम जो है, ये हाइटन द अटेंशन टू प्रोसेस फैसिलिटीज एंड इक्विपमेंट. This is not merely about compliance, it is about enhancing the quality of the product we create, and in doing so building a legacy of trust for the pharma sector. हमने लोगों के अंदर विश्वास उत्पन्न करना है. To achieve this, we must collectively foster a culture of learning where continuous improvement is in the core of our work. The Pulse, Swati was narrating about Pulse introduction. Pulse series was created with this very objective in mind, to ensure that every pharma professional in the country has access to the latest knowledge and best practices. This series, initiated by FOPE and Pharmacist Academy, is designed to provide you with the practical tools, insight, and strategies that you can immediately apply to your work. But again, let me emphasize, knowledge alone is not power. It is the application of that knowledge that truly matters. अब कहते हैं ना, where there is wisdom, there is a science. Where there is a science, there is a prosperity. Now, science is hidden in the wisdom. Someone has to take it out from that. तो हमारे ज्ञान के अंदर विज्ञान समाविष्ट है. सबसे पहला ज्ञान 5,500 साल पहले योगी राज भगवान कृष्ण ने कुरुक्षेत्र की पावन धरा पर दिया था. उसके बाद विज्ञान की गंगा बहने लगी. तो हमें उस ज्ञान से विज्ञान लेना है. I challenge each of you today, after you leave the session, how will you ensure that what you have learned is executed in your daily routine? How will you influence your team to adopt these new standards and exceed expectation? अब कहते हैं, जब बदलाव आता है, कुछ लोगों को समस्या होती है, लेकिन बदलाव जरूरी है. बदल के रंग को तस्वीर बदल देते हैं, कमां से निकला हुआ तीर बदल देते हैं, तुझसे तेरे आंसू न बदले बंदा परवर, बदलने वाले तो तकदीर बदल देते हैं. दिल बदल जाते हैं, जज्बात बदल जाते हैं, अच्छों के हालात बदल जाते हैं. तुझसे तेरे आंसू न बदले बंदा परवर, बदलने वालों के तो हालात बदल जाते हैं. तो बदलना जरूरी है. परिवर्तनशील है जीवन भी, सब कुछ परिवर्तनशील है. सक्सेस इन अवर इंडस्ट्री डजंट कम फ्रॉम कटिंग कॉर्नर. वही शॉर्टकट वाला मैंने बोला दिलीप सांघवी का. Or finding shortcut. It comes from adhering to the highest standard, from being meticulous in our process, and from valuing training as a continuous journey rather than one-time event. बदल ये निरंतर चलनी चाहिए. ट्रेनिंग वन टाइम नहीं होती है. समय बदलेगा, परिस्थितियां बदलेगी, टेक्नोलॉजी बदलेगी, डिमांड बदलेगी, सप्लाई बदलेगी, लोग बदलेंगे, डिसीज पैटर्न बदलेंगे. तो ट्रेनिंग इज गोइंग टू बी ongoing process. Today, we are not just updating our skill, we are laying the groundwork for a stronger, more robust industry that is prepared to meet both domestic and global challenges. हमारी जो लोकल इंडस्ट्री है, डोमेस्टिक और ग्लोबल को हमको बिल्कुल पार लेके चलना है. I urge all of you to engage deeply during today's session, ask questions, relevant questions, challenge assumptions, and think about how you can apply this knowledge in practical, meaningful way. When you return to your workshop, become champion of change. आप उस परिवर्तन धारा के चैंपियन बन जाओ. Inspire your team to adopt the learning, to raise their standards, and to take pride in work they do. Remember, training in the starting point, but execution is the key to excellence. If we are to maintain our leadership in global pharma industry, we must execute these standards with discipline and sincerity. The responsibility lies with each one of us. We are the custodian of quality. We are the custodian and we are the protector of public health and flag bearer of a stronger, more resilient pharma industry in India. As the chairman of Federation of Pharma Entrepreneurs spoke, I have witnessed firsthand the immense potential of this industry and the dedication of the people who work within it. You all represent the potential. Let us use this opportunity to ensure that India's pharma sector not only meets but exceeds global standards of quality and safety. Again, I'm repeating, meeting this standard is a requirement. But when you exceed the requirement, it means you are more sincere, you are more dedicated, you are more responsible towards the patient. In conclusion, I want to leave you with a simple thought. Excellence is a habit, not an act. Today, let us commit to making excellence our habit by taking the learning from this training and implementing them with discipline, dedication, and integrity. यानी ईमानदारी से, समर्पण भाव से और अनुशासन से. Thank you all for your valuable time, because you had to listen a lot of technical people. So mine was only a keynote address, and I'm meeting you after a long time. I'm really grateful to Harish Jain ji particularly, and Swati ji, who gave me a chance to deliver keynote address. I hope this session is going to be really very useful, and I'm seeing many young generation, 65% of the population of this great country is young, 35 years and below. If their energy is merged with the experience of elderly people, then there'll be an explosion of success. So let us encash the energy of youth and let elders give their experience to the youth. Thank you very much. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat.
Thank you, Sikri sir.
Thank you.
Harish sir, I would invite you to please speak a few words.
Thank you, Sikri ji. I think it's a great opening and great opening remarks. And I think what he actually emphasized was Schedule M is the only way forward, and there is no looking back. And that's a great opportunity for India Pharma to move ahead. And thanking the government for the way.
Okay. Thank you, Harish sir, and thank you, Sikri sir, for a very, very insightful keynote at the start of this session itself on the revised Schedule M and the role that pharma industry plays for the world also. Thank you so much for emphasizing that. And please stay in case you have some time with us and listen to this program also. So moving.
I got some other commitment. I had to leave by 11 o'clock.
No. Thank you, sir. And we look forward to hosting you again.
Send me the recorded version.
Sure, sir.
Thank you.
Thank you, sir.